It is well established that stress harms body mechanisms and has a long term negative impact on us. The most well known and simplest technique to deal with stress is through breathing exercises. Consciously managing your breath allows your body to create a state of calmness. Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Prerna Kohli, a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshop, and e-learning for mental health. Breathing techniques are known to have positive impact on physical and mental well-being. Breathing exercise is a great tool for relaxing the mind and when you face any tension or overwhelming situation. This is a podcast to introduce the technique of box breathing, which is one of the easiest breathing exercises for you to follow. Box breathing is a deep breathing practice that helps you relax while you count your breaths. It is also known as squared breathing or 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 breathing. It is purposeful rhythmic breathing and it connects your thoughts to your breath. Box breathing is named for its four-sided pattern. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, which involves dividing each breath into 4 steps, as if breathing along the 4 borders of a box. It works on the principle that slowing down your breathing helps you to relax, increase oxygen intake, and reduce tension. Box breathing is based on the pranayama and is performed in yoga. This technique is also a stress reduction strategy approved and used by the United States Navy SEALs for them to be calm and focused before and after combat. So let's first begin with knowing the benefits of this technique. This technique is the easiest to remember even when you're stressed out. Box breathing removes the body from fight or flight mode, lowering heart rate, blood pressure, and the number of breaths taken, bringing you out of an uncomfortable and distressed state. It helps in sleeping better as it shifts your attention to your breaths. It is simply like counting sheep to be able to sleep. Just you are focusing on something your body is doing naturally. Box breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, the longest nerve in the body, and sends signals to the brain that it can calm down. This technique has been found to help reduce depression and anxiety symptoms and promote emotional control. So, how to practice box breathing? The first step is to find a quiet place where you can sit for a few minutes without getting distracted. Sit in a comfortable position and keep your back straight. Place your hands in your lap, one on top of the other, or you can place your palms on both your knees. Begin breathing through your nose to a count of 4. Say the numbers in your mind. Your lungs should be full of air by the time you reach 4. Hold your breath in your lungs for 4 counts. Again, repeat the numbers in your thoughts and count slowly. Breathe out slowly through your mouth to a count of 4. By the time you reach 4, you should have released all of your air from your lungs. Finally, count 4 times while your lungs are empty. Repeat the steps for a total of at least 5 minutes. Always remember, starting any breathing exercise can be difficult. However, with regular practice, as often as you can perfect the technique. As you practice this technique, you can keep some tips in mind. While you can practice anywhere and at any time, it is better to start with a set time and place. When you start the practice, consider setting an alarm and repeat the exercise till the alarm goes off. Avoid holding any strain on your face, chest, or head. Allow yourself to relax during the breath cycle. To help concentration, you can try visualization. Think of any relaxing and peaceful scene, a place you feel calm and safe. However, while practicing you find it hard to imagine a scene, you can simply visualize the numbers as you count to 4. Box breathing is a technique with many benefits for mental and physical health. It is also a great way to get started with meditation and mindful practice. Once you learn how to practice it effectively, you can use it anywhere and anytime to help ground yourself and focus better. This is Dr. Prerna Kohli. Thank you for listening to this podcast. I wish you all the best.